Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the best settings for Msi G244F gaming monitor. So here it is from the MSI forum from user badboy2k. This is their settings. So this is just personal preference, but this should be the best look objectively. So for the game mode, turn that to premium color. Night vision, we want that off. For the response time, set it to normal. For the adaptive sync, this should be on. For the MPRT or the moving picture response time, set this to off because it ruins the response time and it makes the picture blurry. And then for the image enhancement, we want that off because we want to have the most accurate picture possible. For the brightness, set this to 20 or you can set it to 30 if you want. For the contrast, set it to 50. This should be balanced. So higher than this, it would look very unnatural. And then lower than this, it should look a lot faded. For the sharpness, set this to off because it ruins the image quality. It looks very artificial with that. For the color temperature, just set it to normal. So basically that's it.